Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable screen recording sound in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Go to Shortcuts and Accessibility. Now press on S Capture. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of Record Sound. Click on this. Now here you can see 4 options. If you want to disable your screen recording sound, you just have to press your None option. That's it. So this is how to disable screen recording sound in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.